Hi everyone! Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. I'm Yoshimi. Today, I'm going to show you how to make dry curry. Japanese curry using curry cube is very famous and popular these days outside of Japan. Dry curry I'm making today is another type of Japanese curry. It's called dry curry because it's less soupy compared to the famous one. Very easy and quick to make. At the end of the video, I will show you how I build a menu with this dry curry, so stay with me till the end. Okay, let's get started. These are what you need to make 4 servings. 400 grams of ground meat. This is a mixture of beef and pork, but you can use any ground meat you like. 2 onions, bell peppers, 1 to 3 depending on the size, ketchup, S&B curry powder, cumin, coriander, and 1 tablespoon each of grated ginger and grated garlic. As always, let's finish all the cutting first. So bell peppers. Cut them into half. Remove the seeds and the pith inside. Make them into strips. Then slice this way. Same for the rest of the bell peppers. Onion. Cut the top off. Peel the skin. Cut into half and make some slits like this. Then slice. Same for the other onion. Heat up frying pan over medium heat and let's cook the meat first. No oil needed. Fat will come out from the meat. Grated garlic and ginger once the meat is browned. Then all the vegetables. Keep cooking until the onion is clear. Once everything in the frying pan is well cooked, ketchup, about half a cup. S&B curry powder, about a tablespoon. Cumin and coriander, a teaspoon each. Adjust the saltiness and sweetness with some salt and sugar. I'm adding a pinch each. Pinch of salt and a pinch of sugar. Kill the heat and it's done. You can have dry curry either with rice or bread. We normally have it with rice. So I have some cooked rice served flat. Let's put dry curry. This is totally optional, but I like to put boiled egg for better presentation and more protein. So using the egg slicer, slice the boiled egg. Serve on top. And dry curry is ready to go. Time for the tasting. Iただきます。It's spicy, but not too much. If you want to make it spicier, add a little bit of chili powder. The ketchup adds so much fruitiness to the whole dish, and it's absolutely delicious. This is how standard Japanese combo style meal looks. Rice, soup, main, 1 or 2 side dishes. Dry curry goes here and it also covers the main. Let's have kabocha no soup here. I think I want to have something refreshing for the side dishes. So how about okura no gomae for one of them and some sort of pickles, either store-bought or homemade for the other one. I hope you enjoy the meal. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything.